Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is LSU Gold Fig. It is the second of our light-colored figs to ripen this summer. The first one was St. Anthony, and I'm kind of looking forward to see what the interior of this looks like. This is definitely ripe. One thing I notice about lighter-colored figs is that as they get ripe, figs don't look very good on the outside. We will sometimes sell produce at the farmers market here, and I haven't sold figs yet, just because for somebody that is not familiar with growing figs or what a fresh fig looks like on the outside, they might think that this is already gone bad. But I think what we'll see when we open it up is that it's very ripe. It just doesn't have a good presentation. And for anybody that's purchased figs at a store, you know what I'm talking about, because the exterior of those figs will generally look pretty good, but then you open them up and you'll see like, well, that's not really quite ripe yet. And so I've got a few more up further on the branch here, but I want to go ahead and take this one and we'll go see what it looks like. All right. It's a pretty good sized fig here. Let's take a look. And that's a beautiful fig. The interior does look a little similar to St. Anthony's. Okay, let's go ahead and take a bite. Oh man, that's great. Very sweet. This tastes better than the St. Anthony's fig we tasted earlier. Maybe because I let it ripen up a little bit more, or maybe it's just a tastier fig. But it is, again, it's that honey sweet taste. Not a lot of tart, not a lot of flavor to it, but boy, it tastes good. This is LSU Gold Fig. It is a beautiful, large, relatively early season light colored fig.